Welcome to the M14 Galaxy M14, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open the notification panel, and if you wanna add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of these icons, we should click to this plus icon or just to the three dots and click to edit buttons. So now we will see all of the available options which we can add to our panel. For example, let's use the microphone access. Just hold this option and drag it here to this down section. By the same way, we can add here all of these applications, these icons if you want. If you want to remove some of these options, we should by the same way hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. And to change the just positions of these icons on the panel, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to reset all of the changes, click to reset, or to save the changes, click to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.